Hey guys, I just want to set the record straight. It is middle of January of 2024. A couple of people have reached out to me saying that they want to list their house when mortgage rates go down or become better. And when I tell them that mortgage rates have already gone down a point from their highs, I get a lot of feedback basically saying that, hey, the Treasury hasn't done their thing. I just want to kind of set the precedent of that. Although they're interrelated and they're definitely correlated, the 10-year Treasury yield, which is what the Fed and mortgage rates kind of tie themselves hand in hand, they're not exactly a one-on-one relationship. There's a lot of factors that go into the mortgage rate, and one of them is definitely the 10-year Treasury. But, mortgage rates also take the indicator of economic health. So does the 10-year Treasury. Might be a little bit slower to respond, but mortgage rates kind of feed off into that. Risk comparisons as well. When investors consider the 10-year Treasury note less risky compared to other investments, including mortgages, the yield on the note tend to be lower. Market demand, there's a lot of demand for the 10-year notes. The yields tend to drop. And then the Federal Reserve influence. They basically do influence both mortgage rates and the 10-year Treasury note through its monetary policy decisions, such as setting the federal funds rate, and through open market operations. I know it seems a little tough, very technical even for somebody like me, but what I'm trying to say is don't wait for the Fed to drop rates if you're looking for mortgage rates to improve. The bottom line is typically that mortgage rates, in my experience, tend to front run the 10-year Treasury based on what they think the market is going to do, whether, they're saying 3 more decreases in the 10-year Treasury, et cetera. So it's complicated. I'm going to probably get a couple of my mortgage lenders to kind of talk about this in greater detail, and just so that you guys have a little bit of clarity. Interest rates have improved, so I just want to do this as almost like a PSA. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. If that's what's holding you back from either buying or selling a property, definitely give me a call. All right, 917-690-5390. Thanks so much.